Hello, my dear students. I am Abrar Masdiqi from Mass Teaching Classes. My dear students and friends, I politely request all of you to subscribe my channel for latest update and view, like and share my videos more and more among your friends. My dear students, today our topic is reciprocal pronoun and exclamatory pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun and exclamatory pronouns are kinds of pronouns. First of all, we will discuss about reciprocal pronoun. Before studying it, it is very important to know what is a reciprocal pronoun. According to that, please pay your attention at a whiteboard. A pronoun that is made up of two pronouns and used to express mutual relation is called a reciprocal pronoun. It means there are two important things in a reciprocal pronoun. First is it is made up of two pronouns, and second thing is it is used to express mutual relation. There are two things about reciprocal pronoun. For example, as a reciprocal pronoun we use each other and one another. Each other is used for expressing mutual relation between two persons. In other hand, one another is used for expressing mutual relation more than two persons. For making it clear, we can take help of examples, or in other words we can say we can use it in sentences for knowing well. As in sentence number 1, there has been given Mona and Sona help each other. In sentence number 1, each other has been used as a reciprocal pronoun. According to first condition, it is made up of two pronouns, each and other. As there has been already made it clear that it is used to express mutual relation between two persons. Here it expresses mutual relation between Mona and Sona. It means Mona and Sona help each other. In other hand, and sentence number 2, these 4 students love one another. Here, in sentence number 2, one another has been used as a reciprocal pronoun. According to that, one, it has been made up of one and another, and it has been used to express mutual relation between 4 students. These 4 students love one another. It's a very clear. Each other has been used for expressing mutual relation between two persons. In other hand, one another is used for expressing mutual relation among more than two persons. It's clear? Now after that we will discuss about exclamatory pronoun. Exclamatory pronoun, according to that, a pronoun that is used to express surprise in a sentence is called an exclamatory pronoun. According to that, a pronoun that is used to express surprise in a sentence is called an exclamatory pronoun. For example, we use only one word, what, and during using this exclamatory pronoun in a sentence, we put an exclamatory mark in a after what. For that, we can take the help of an example so that there may be clear it wow. According to that, what you don't know about Gandhiji. In next sentence, what she does not love her country, like that. So An exclamatory pronoun is used for expressing surprise. For that we use what, and after what we have to put exclamatory sign. It is compulsory. Without using exclamatory sign after what, the expression would not be complete.